Hi everybody, welcome and enjoy today's episode from Raimondo Lee Motors. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Very warm.
I don't know if you have to pay this car park or not, I don't know.
See what's on this? Aye?
If you have to pay in that car park, I don't know. So
How?
let's see. If we have to pay, I'll have to get a pound back off Lewis. Paid him a drinks fee of £1.
Eat that with the bars. I've had them. Clear.
Nice new road. It's really whirly.
Smooth, isn't it? Very bad transit vans coming now. The trailers, full speed ahead.
Only a little trailer.
To be fair, it was. Well, I guess you can't park on someone's house. X-Trail. That's the same X-Trail was so early. The black one.
Is it?
No wider than this. Aye. That X-Trail's no wider than this. Might be a bit longer, but it's no wider. Well, it might be a little bit wider, but I didn't notice it in that car, to be honest. I've seen cash cars a lot wider.
Giddy Hawk.
Place to have it.
No.
Red. No parking. Yellow stripes. Marshes.
The ducks in the field.
There is some in there. There's the geese.
Yeah. You obviously like it there for some reason. That's the left side of the yellow, so passing places. People must park
Yeah, that's what it is.
up or down here in the summer.
Passing places.
Assuming.
Yeah, but busy. It's really busy.
It's not big enough, is it, to park on? Stupid, really.
No, but people are sleeping, and that's the thing.
Yeah.
It's not even a joke. People will park there because they think it's a good place to park. No, I'm parking in Village in Payne. No slowing in whatsoever, that one, man. Full power ahead. Might have win on there.
Yes.
People did park on there because I've seen it on the maps.
Yeah.
There, look.
Yeah.
Which now they put a sign up.
Road closed here till. Oh, road closed here 16th September. Yeah, there's still the yellow. Understandably. There's nowhere to park down here. Or down there. Nice sights, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not a bad little caravan site. You know what I mean? If you want to be somewhere a bit quieter in between the places. Not bad, is it?
No.
Rose's family caravan park, that one. dead cheap. Oh yeah, Anderby Springs. I'm not sure about parking here. Might be too expensive.
On Good Friday.
It's full.
You can go down that way, though. The gate bit, look.
It's full.
It's very busy, yes, I agree. Well, there's kind of a space there, but I didn't get into it. I'm not the space down there. But yeah, time Good Friday to 31st of October, so still no parking fees. That's good.
So thank you very much for watching to the end. If you have done, I really appreciate it. Please remember to check out the playlist, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. There's going to be lots more content coming. Thank you and goodbye.